Hello student, now today we'll see differentiation. Lesson differentiation will start today. No? In this differentiation, we'll start with a definition. Then after that, rules of differentiation. Then derivatives of some standard functions. Then after that, step by step derivatives of composite function, derivatives of inverse function, derivatives of logarithmic function, then implicit functions, and parametric function. And after that, last in this differentiation lesson is higher order derivatives. Okay, higher order derivatives. After that. We'll start with application of derivative. Okay, now we'll start with our definition of derivative here. The derivative of f of x with respect to x as at x is equal to a is given by f dash of a. This dash means one derivative. Okay, this dash means one derivative is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. This is one simple definition of derivative. Okay, after this we'll see derivatives of some standard functions. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see derivatives of some standard functions. Okay, here y is equal to f of x. Here's all functions are here, and here derivative, that is dy upon dx is equal to f dash of x. Here also same. Okay. Now here we start with the constant function. C means any constant. किसी भी constant का derivative होता है हमेशा 0. Okay. After that, derivative of x raised to n, where n is any number. Okay. Derivative of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. Then derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square by using this. Then root x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. After that, e raised to x का डेरिवेटिव होता है हमेशा e raised to x as it is. A raised to x का a raised to x log a. This is derivative of a raised to x. After that, log x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 upon x. Okay. Constant का डेरिवेटिव 0, x raised to n का nx raised to n minus 1. 1 upon x का डेरिवेटिव होता है minus 1 upon x square. Then root x का 1 upon 2 root x. E raised to x का e raised to x. Then a raised to x का a raised to x log a. Log x का 1 upon x. Now we'll see derivatives of trigonometric functions. Okay. Sin x का डेरिवेटिव होता है हमेशा cos x. Then cos x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x. Next, tan x का डेरिवेटिव होगा sec square x. sec x का डेरिवेटिव sec x into tan x. sec x into tan x. Next, cosec x का डेरिवेटिव होता है minus cosec x cot x into cot x minus cosec x into cot x. And next last one is cot x का डेरिवेटिव होता है minus cosec square x. These are the derivatives of simple trigonometric functions. We'll revise again. Sin x का होता है cos x का minus sin x derivative, tan x का sec square x, sec x into tan x, then cosec x का minus cosec x into cot x, and cot x का derivative हमेशा होता है minus cosec square x. Okay, these are some standard and basic derivatives, basic functions जो हमेशा use होते हैं. Okay, after that we'll see rules of differentiation. Okay, up to that we have learned about what definition and this derivatives of standard function. Now we'll see rules. Then after rule, we'll step by step we'll start with derivatives. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see rules of differentiation. Here first, suppose y is equal to u plus minus v. Means addition है, subtraction है दो functions का. Then differentiation of that is dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus minus dv upon dx. This is simple one. Rule of differentiation. Now second one, when two functions in multiplications means y is equal to u into v. दो फंक्शन है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, देन अवर डिफरेंशिएशन इज मतलब डेरिवेटिव होगा हमारा dy upon dx is equal to, first write u as it is, means first function write down as it is, second का derivative, then plus second as it is, first का derivative. Like that you have to do for the multiplication when the two functions are given in multiplication format. तो आपको ये यूज करना है रूल, ठीक है. नाउ थर्ड इज फॉर द division y is equal to u upon v. When functions in this format, in division format, then our derivative is dy upon dx is equal to, here obviously v is not equal to 0, this condition v हमेशा not equal to 0 होना चाहिए. Okay, then our derivative is, first write down this denominator as it is, v du upon dx means v denominator as it is, derivative of u minus u as it is, derivative of v, divide by the whole, divide by v square, denominator का square. This is third rule. Okay, this is first for addition subtraction. दो फंक्शन एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन में दिए होंगे तो ये सिंपल रूल यूज होगा. नेक्स्ट, दो फंक्शन सपोज मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्मेट में दिए है, देन फर्स्ट फंक्शन राइट डाउन एज इट इज, सेकंड का डेरिवेटिव प्लस सेकंड एज इट इज, फर्स्ट का डेरिवेटिव. ओके, नाउ दो फंक्शन सपोज डिवीजन फॉर्मेट में दिए है, देन डिवाइड अपॉन डेक्स डेरिवेटिव होगा v, मींस आपको डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज लिखना है पहले. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज u फर्स्ट न्यूमरेटर का डेरिवेटिव माइनस u एज इट इज v का डेरिवेटिव, द होल डिवाइड बाय v स्क्वायर व्हेन condition is v is not equal to 0. Okay, now after that we'll start with simple derivative of composite functions. Okay.